Welcome to the Calm Index dashboard. So we have seen the employee wellness dashboard earlier. Similarly, now we are checking the capability assessment for leaders and managers who are the first responders of employee wellness and employee situations. So the login is in the same way. You can go to the login of the organization. You can enter the login ID. So you can enter the login ID here. This will be given to you, the managers or leaders who wants to take the test, and enter the password also and enter the access code. So this code and user ID, credentials, everything can be changed by the administrator. Once you go there, it will take the person into the brand part or the dashboard part, brand dashboard part. So here, whatever you're seeing as my brand to everything will be changed with your organization name later. So as we did in the employee wellness, here also the responses are 100% confidential and anonymous. We don't store the person's detail or which manager given this test. Nothing will be stored here. Name is also again optional. You can add a random name or anything you want. And age should be above 18 years. So I'm entering something like 45. Nature of work is maybe business administration, and make sure that the consent is selected. Start assessment. Same way in the wellness index, here also the random click and everything will be monitored. So if I click randomly and continue, then the score will be showing accordingly, and the reliability index also will be showing as low. So we are expecting the people to read it properly and click it accordingly after reading well, and then selecting the answer so they can select the thing. Here however, I'm just taking the random test. So different domains, 7 different domains we are checking, and each of the domains are being continued with this way. So the questions are added accordingly. This will be monitored. You can see the progress of the test also. I completed almost 20 tests right now, 20 questions right now. We are moving forward. So this time I'm doing the random answering. However, that's not suggested. This is just because I want to reach to the end very soon. But it will show the integrity of the test or reliability of the test at the end of it also. So once you reach here, once you finish all the 36 questions, you can complete the test, and it will show the grade of the employee or the manager's capability to handle as a first responder. So here you are seeing a grade D. There are different grades, A, B, C, D, etc. Grades will be there. So it is showing the detail of it, and you can see the report and in detail thing also. So once you click on the report, you can see the name of the employee. It's showing as a random calm report. Random was the name I added there. You can see all the details, when they have taken, what is the kind of test they have taken, etc. And you can go to the page of each of it. You can see the score received for each parameter: early signal detection, psychological safety handling, supportive conversation. So all the dimensions you can see based on their answers. You can see, so this is a grade D response, not ready for first responder responsibility. That means this manager may find little difficulty to handle their employees when they are in a situation or troubled situation or stress. So the meaning and everything is clearly written here. What is the result meaning for the manager, and impact on the team also can be seen here. Even you can see the condition, likely experience as a manager or leader, what they will experience. So maybe they will experience attitude problems and everything. You can see that, and actions to be taken to strengthen the capability also is mentioned here. And then you can see the summary score of the person also, what is the person and where they need attention. For example, this person has a capability in terms of recovery and sustainability orientation. Escalation is moderate, but rest all the area person need a high attention based on the score. And we add the employee assistant program, EAP, support contact person, if they want to develop it or need to have a discussion within the organization. As I said, this is also a completely anonymous report. No personal data will be stored, and the employee only will get the report then and there. It will not be stored or regenerated later. And that's how this report is also a privacy first and anonymous one as part of this GCredit tool.